The BJP announced a list of 17 candidates for the Uttar Pradesh polls and did not include Assembly Speaker Hriday Narain Dikshit and Minister Swati Singh in it, while Brijesh Pathak's seat was changed. The list has raised several eyebrows as Rajrejeshwar Singh, who has taken voluntary retirement after being deputed to the Enforcement Directorate from the Uttar Pradesh Police, has been fielded from Sarojini Nagar, the seat of outgoing Minister Swati Singh. Ashutosh Shukla has been fielded from Bhagwantnagar in Unnao district, where Hriday Narain Dikshit is the outgoing MLA. Incumbent Lucknow MLA and Minister Brijesh Pathak has been fielded from Lucknow cantonment, budding speculations of the new entrant in the BJP, Aparna Yadav, the daughter-in-law of SP Patriarch Mulayam Singh Yadav, being fielded from there. Aparna Yadav had contested from the seat in the previous elections but had faced defeat. The names announced on Tuesday included candidates for all the 9 assembly seats in Lucknow. The upcoming Uttar Pradesh polls shall be held in 7 phases, starting from 10th of February till 7th of March. The counting of votes shall take place on 10th of March.